Today we're going to be looking at shades of meaning, and in our shades of meaning we're going to order them by intensity. So the top one, the red, is going to be your most intense word. Then your bottom one, your green, is going to be your least intense or your normal word. So you're going to build with intensity or build how big the word is or how much it means as you go up. I put this thermometer over here to remind you about how your intensity works. So down here it's nice and cool, it's calm. And it gets a little warmer, a little more intense, and then up, and at the top is your fire because it's exploding. So over here you have your word bank in the blue box. All of these words are movable, and you're going to move the words to the spaces over here. Remember, green is your least intense, and then it builds all the way up to the red, which is your most intense. So looking at these four words, I have big, huge, giant, and large. I'm looking at those four words, and I think the one that is the most calm is big. So I'm going to pull big over to my green. Then I think the one with the next intensity would be large. So I'd pull that one up on top of big, the yellow spot. Then my next one with more intensity would be huge. And then my most intense word for this would be giant. Now all of these are considered synonyms. And shades of meaning is just how we order them with the most intensity. There are more over here for you to do. When you get down to the last one, you may turn it in to Google Classroom.